Hi, my name is Devin, and I built a full-stack LMS website to make it easier for teachers to manage classes and assignments while improving student engagement. Managing classes is hard. The more students you have equals the more assignments, and it's hard to monitor their performance for big classes. Additionally, juggling multiple platforms for course content is hard. That's why my platform consolidates all course materials, assignments, and resources into one platform. Users can create assignments, submit, and grade. Teachers can also track student progress in real time. My app is highly scalable, handling many students, courses, and learning materials. Some key features include teachers are able to create a class and assignment, and additionally they can grade submissions. Students can submit assignment and track their grades. My app tracks role-based authentication throughout the whole app, so users cannot access unrestricted areas. For the front end, I used React and Tailwind, and for the back end, I used Node.js and Express.js for the server. For the database, I use local storage and MongoDB to store users and class schemas, and for authentication, I used JWT. Here on the dashboard, you can see your classes, a navigation bar on the left, and a personalized message. I designed this page to make it easy for users to see their classes. If I click into a class, you can see on the left-hand side, the navigation bar stays the same. Consistency is key when working with K-12 students. Not many students do not know how to navigate around websites, and that's why consistency is very important for those students. Here, because I'm a teacher, teachers are able to see the teacher tools. They have two where you can create assignments and grade submissions. Below that, you can see the list of assignments already created and the students enrolled in the class. Let's create a new assignment. I'm going to title this just Assignment 4. Description is optional. And for the due date, let's put it Christmas. For the points, I'll make this 10 points and click Create Assignment. Now when I leave and come back, you can see Assignment 4 has been added to the assignment list. I can also grade submissions. I can see all the assignments, and if I click on the assignment, you can see the students that have submitted it. As you can see, for Assignment 4, when I click on it, there has been no submissions yet. Teachers can also create a class. Going back to the dashboard, if I click this plus icon, teachers can create a class. Let's call this Biology 10. For a description, I'll put Nature. Create a class. And when I come back to the home page, you can see Biology 10 has been created. Now let's save this join code and come back as a student. I'm going to join as a student. Let's join as this one. As you can see, the student is already enrolled in one class, Calculus 1, and if I want to add a new class, we'll click this plus icon on the left. But what differentiates a student dashboard with a teacher one is that when you click this plus icon, teachers create a class, but for students, they join a class. So let's join class, and I get an alert that says, I joined Biology 10. Now when I refresh or come back to this homepage, you can see Biology 10. Let's click into Calculus 1 because this one already has assignments. And over here on the far right-hand side, you can see two dots. Yellow means that this is pending submission. Now let's say I do this assignment, and I type in, I love math. Submit. Submission successful. And now when I come back to this class, you can see the assignment turned green, meaning I submitted it. Working on an app this complex, I'm bound to run into problems. And I approach these problems by breaking them into smaller parts, brainstorming possible solutions, and then implementing the solutions while monitoring results to ensure that it works effectively. Suppose I want to test my endpoints to see if they're working correctly, such as fetching these classes. I use Thunder Client to test these endpoints. Here you can see I'm sending a GET request to localhost API/classes. And for authorization, I actually want to put the user token, which I will get from local storage. Here we have the token. Going back to VS Code, I'll put the student's token. And because this is a GET request, there's no body, I'm going to send this. And over here on the right-hand side, you can see status 200 OK, meaning that my GET request to this endpoint works.